Johnny, Bill, Jimmy, Roland. I love everything you did with the 2018 Tracker Heritage Edition, but there was one major miss. Got the original 1978 Tracker, and here we have the 2018 Tracker Heritage Edition. Let's go through the checklist. First off, brown leather seats. Check. Brown carpet. Another check. Old school Bass Tracker logo. Check. Moon hubcaps. Check. By the way, they have not fallen off yet. So, what's the miss? Old school Mercury 40 logo, the classic graphics. And the new school non-retro looking Mercury 4-stroke. Now don't get me wrong, I would never trade this for this, but what a major miss on the overall package. Luckily, I have a solution. Here we go, pick these up. This is a Mercury reproduction sticker from the old model, brought to you by OutboardDecals.com, who is not a sponsor of Retro Bassin. So I picked up the full set. I will show it to you. We are going to right now install that on the engine. So before we get started, we're going to see how this looks. So here's where roughly our 40 Mercury is going to go, right there, and which means we've got to get rid of a lot of graphics. All right, this is going to be a lot harder than I thought. So it's kind of coming off, but like in a chunk. Obviously, these are not designed to be taken off. I don't know why, right? I'm sure everybody that buys a new Tracker wants to go rip off the stickers off the engine. That actually worked. Now, obviously, the 1978 edition engine would look a whole lot different in shape than this 2018 version. There's nothing we can do about that. But I lined it up as best I could. Wish me luck on the next part. Okay. Haha. Yes. All right. That looks awesome. I'm super excited about how that turned out. I don't really see any air bubbles that you guys can see, so that's good. Overall, that looks beautiful.
So that's the guy who, that was the old guy, that was the guy who, a snake fell on him, and he fell in the boat because he carried, a big battery. Oh, I turned it on accident.